In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and videos to mind map in Miro. Start by opening your browser and heading to Miro.com. Sign in if prompted, then open the board that contains your mind map. Make sure you're zoomed into the area where you want to work so it's easy to place new content exactly where you need it. To add an image, look for the plus icon on the toolbar, often labeled as the place to add or bring in content. Click it to open the content panel, then scroll if needed and choose Upload. From there, select My Device. Your file picker will open, so browse to the image you want, select it, and click Open. Miro will place the image on your board. You can drag it closer to the mind map topic it belongs to and resize it using the corner handles. Keeping images reasonably sized helps your map stay readable. Aim for a size that's large enough to see but not overwhelming. Now connect the image to your mind map. Position it near the relevant node, then use a connector to link them. You can start from the node's handle or use the connector tool to draw a line from the node to the image. When the line snaps to the image, release to attach it. This visually ties the graphic to your idea, making your map more informative at a glance. If the line isn't snapping, nudge the image a little closer or zoom in for precision. Let's add a video. Open the same plus icon again and choose Upload. This time, pick Upload via URL. Paste the link to your video. Links from popular platforms or a direct video URL usually work best, and click OK. If the video doesn't appear, double check that the link is publicly accessible or set to be shared. Once it's on the board, place it near the related topic and resize it just like you did with the image. A compact preview keeps your layout clean while still giving viewers quick access to the content. Finally, connect the video to your mind map. Draw a connector from the appropriate node to the video frame so it's clear which idea it supports. Align the line neatly, and adjust the position if needed to avoid overlaps. When everything looks good, take a moment to review spacing and readability so your visuals support the structure of your ideas. That's it. Open your board, upload an image from your device, connect it, then add a video via URL and link it as well. With these simple steps, your Miro mind map becomes clearer, richer, and far more engaging.